Okay, real talk. How many passwords do you have right now? And how many of them are actually just password 123? If you just panicked a little, you need to hear this. Because by 2025, hackers aren't just in their mum's basement. They've got AI, quantum computers, and trust me, they're coming for your cat pictures and your bank account. But first, smash that like button if you've ever had to reset a password, like 5 times in 1 week. And if you haven't, are you even human? Drop a yes in the comments if you've been personally victimized by a forgotten password. Alright, let's level up your security game. Here's what's coming in 2025, and why your data is basically the last cookie in the jar at a hacker's party. Threat number 1, AI-powered cyber attacks. Hackers are using AI to send you emails so convincing, even your grandma's like, wow, Amazon really does care about my order. And deepfakes, get ready for fake bosses asking for gift cards. Number 2, quantum computing. Remember when your uncle said no one can hack my old laptop? Well, now quantum computers can basically solve your password like a Sudoku puzzle while blindfolded. Number 3, ransomware 3.0. They're not just locking your files. They're threatening to leak your secrets and crash your Wi-Fi if you don't pay up. 4. Supply chain attacks. Remember SolarWinds? Imagine if your software updates brought you malware as a bonus prize, like a Cracker Jack box, but evil. 5. IoT devices. Your smart fridge might be the reason your neighbor's Wi-Fi is slow. Hackers love those weak passwords on smart devices, so maybe don't name your Wi-Fi Hack Me Plus. But don't freak out. Here's how to actually protect your digital life. 1. Adopt zero trust. Assume everyone's a spy until proven otherwise. 2. Upgrade to post-quantum cryptography. 3. Use AI to fight AI. 4. Enable multi-factor authentication. Face scan, fingerprint, retina, heck, give it a blood sample if it asks. 5. Security training. Teach your co-workers that Prince of Nigeria is not actually emailing them. 6. Offline backups. Because when the ransomware hits, you'll wish you saved those vacation photos somewhere safe. Here's the bottom line. If you're not prepping now, you're just waiting to be the next meme. So, is your data safe? Or are you one click away from becoming the star of I Got Hacked 2025, coming soon to a YouTube near you? Comment below. What's the wildest scam email or DM you've ever gotten? And don't forget to subscribe for more epic tips, because the cyber battle just got personal. Wait, did you miss the hidden meme in this video? Go back and find it. I dare you.